How to add public stories in Snapchat. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Snapchat app right here. And once we open our Snapchat, the next thing that we need to do is to click our profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. And then once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to click this public profile. Now, once you click public profile, the next thing that we need to do is to click this insights. And then once you click that, as you can see, you will see this add to public story. So just click that and then you will be redirected right here. Now, all you have to do is to upload a picture or take a picture or a video. And then after that, click OK. Once you do that, you can add some text if you want to add some text right there, if you want to edit it, if you want to cut it, if you want to add some music or more. Now, once you're done with this, if you now want to upload it, all you have to do is to click this My Story, which is right here. And then once you do that, as you can see, it is already sending and it is already added into our story. And if we click our profile picture right here, this is what it looks like. And that is basically it. That is how to add public stories in Snapchat.